All right, I'm looking at problem number 3 here on page 552. It says that a fish tank that is 10 by 14 by 12 high is the home of the large goldfish Columbia. When Columbia is taken out of the tank, the water level drops 1/3 of an inch. So what is Columbia's volume? So I've drawn the tank, and this is a displacement problem because we're talking about the amount of water that is displaced by the fish Columbia. So when we're looking at that, we see that this 1/3 of an inch is the change in the water level. So when we're talking displacement, that is the value that we use for our height when we're talking about volume. It doesn't really matter how high the tank is, it's about that slice of water that is being displaced. Now we have a prism here. So again, this part is the area of the base, which is a rectangle that is 10 by 14. So we have 10 times 14 for the area of the base, and then we have 1/3 of an inch for our height. So 10 times 14, that would be 140. And then we're going to multiply that by 1/3 or divide it by 3. And we would find that Columbia has a volume of 46.7. Those are inches, cubic inches.